Speed, accuracy, and security. These are the three pillars of modern data. In this video, we're exploring the seamless integration between Gemini Enterprise and conversational analytics, empowering your team to make data-driven decisions faster than ever before, and in the context where they interact with all their agents. Gemini Enterprise is Google's AI platform. It is designed to integrate generative AI across an organization's workflows, data, and applications. We'll start by exploring the agents defined for our organization. By navigating to the Agents tab, you'll see a curated list. By publishing Looker's conversational analytics agents here, we bridge the gap between governed business logic and intuitive AI. Let's dive into this specific Looker conversational analytics agent. I want to investigate our revenue performance. As the agent begins interacting with Looker, it's important to note the security model. Access is strictly governed. The agent can only retrieve data if the user has the correct permissions for the underlying LookML model. This ensures that enterprise data stays in the right hands, while allowing for seamless natural language exploration. Here is the breakdown of our top-performing brands, complete with a spike analysis to identify trends. The agent also identifies specific demographics, showing us that our primary growth is driven by certain age groups or male shoppers. From here, we can continue the conversation, asking follow-up questions and interacting directly with our structured data to uncover deeper insights. We can also start asking questions to a conversational analytics agent, just referencing it. Let us investigate who are my top 10 loyal customers. The agent may request clarification on specific details, such as the relevant time frame for the data. Within our agent configuration, we've defined what we mean by loyal customers to ensure the AI identifies them accurately every time. By leveraging Looker's semantic layer, we maintain a single source of truth for our metrics. This grounds the agent in predefined logic and significantly reduces the risk of SQL hallucinations. And here are top loyal customers, with additional insights generated by Gemini for me. Security is baked into this integration. The first time you interact with an agent, you'll be prompted to authorize access to Looker using your credentials. This link to your Looker credentials ensures the agent only accesses data you're permitted to see. It respects all existing permissions, down to the row and column level. As you can see, once I authorize the connection, the agent immediately starts building the report while keeping our data ecosystem secure. And here, the agent result based on my unique profile. Publishing your conversational analytics agent to Gemini Enterprise is a straightforward process. From the Edit page of your agent, click on Publish Settings. Click Update to deploy the agent to Gemini Enterprise. Keep in mind, publishing is only the first step. To get your team up and running, you'll need to perform a final configuration within the Gemini Enterprise console to grant user access. Here we are in the console, where we can see the agent we just published from Looker. To make this agent available to others, we need to manage its sharing settings. Click into the agent. Navigate to User Permissions and select Add New Users. From here, you can publish to specific groups or your entire organization. For this demo, we'll select all users and assign them the agent user role. Once you hit Save, the agent will be live and accessible to everyone in your organization. If now a user accesses the Gemini Enterprise portal, our agent now appears in the agent list. To conclude this video, let's explore how to connect your Looker instance to Gemini Enterprise. This configuration is performed by a Looker administrator. From the Gemini in Looker section of the admin panel, switch on the Publish to Gemini Enterprise toggle. Once enabled, you'll need to provide three key pieces of information: the GCP project ID and region where your Gemini Enterprise environment lives, and its instance identifier. Looker will automatically generate a dedicated service account. To finalize the handshake, you must grant this service account the necessary permissions within your Gemini Enterprise application. Copy the Looker-generated service agent and grant it Discovery Engine admin permissions in the GCP project where you created your Gemini Enterprise instance, and you're all set. Here is a recap of Looker permissions. To publish an agent to Gemini Enterprise, a user needs several permissions, including Publish Agent Externally. The user might not need a Gemini Enterprise license. To interact with an agent, the user requires permissions like Access Data, and the agent will leverage Looker user credentials and permissions. All these permissions are provided at model level. If you have any feedback on this video, please scan the QR code to fill out a short form. Your input helps us improve future content.